scuppers, side scutters, skylines, portholes, and all the similar openings in the ship. Isang assignment yan, ha? Number 2, the equipping of survival craft and other life-saving appliances.
Break. Ito naman talagang facility
Turblas.
Yan, yan mga assignment natin na pagsara ng mga water tight doors, fire doors, valves, mga valvula, scuppers, side scutters, skylines. Skylines yung doon sa taas ng makina, main engine. Yan, tinatawag natin skylines. Portholes, yung mga bintana ng mga cabin natin. Ito cabin, meron dyan. Porthole. Bintana, bilog. Okay? So, those are portholes. Equipping of survival craft and all the life-saving appliances. Preparation and launching of survival craft. Like for example, ang survival craft, ang pagkalang
Lifeboat.
lifeboats, life rafts. These are all survival craft.
Aircraft.
Original preparation of all the life-saving appliances.
Ring bitaw rin.
Appliance.
Lifeline. Lifeline.
Life boys. Wilson Road.
Serena.
Anything that will use for floating. The master passengers, may iba-ibang kwento. Siyempre, maraming passengers. Mayroon A, B, C, mga kanya, sign. Mastering, okay? Master. Okay, the use of communication equipment. Dapat marunong tayo magamit, communication equipment sa barko. Manning of fire parties to deal with fires. Diba, may sunog. Dapat marunong ito magkuman. Mayroon mga iba-ibang party. Okay, yung bridge party, nandun yung kapitan, isang opisyal, isang tribunal, isang OS kaya, isang apprentice, messenger, kaya yan ang bridge party tawag natin. Doon sa may scene, mayroon yung attack party. Sila, primero attack.